Tito, during bull run, ano ginagawa nyo? Trade, futures, perpetual, or spot lang? Ang gandang tanong kasi i-context natin siya dun sa cycle ng market. In a crypto bull run, based on my experience, it's better to sit tight. So, meaning, you just buy and DCA during the crypto bull run and wait for the crypto bull run, the whole cycle na matapos before you trade again, before you sell. So, yun, dun tayo mas naging profitable last cycle, right? Kapag ka nagpalit na yung cycle from bull to bear, dun ka naghahanap ngayon ng opportunities para saan ka pwedeng kumita. Kasi hindi ka pwedeng mag-spot, hindi ka pwedeng mag-buy and hold. So, ang pwede ka lang kumita doon through shorting the market. In this case, ngayong bull run po, sa crypto, we just buy and DCA. And then, yung active trading natin, ginagawa natin sa Exness, which is we're trading gold using leverage. So, nandun tayo. So, hindi na natin tinetrade yung mga cryptos natin. We just buy and hold yung mga quality coins until bull run is over. Follow for